I found this calculus problem quite interesting. It says find the equation of the normal to a curve y equal to s cubed over 5 at point minus 1 comma minus 1 over 5. Solution. Recall that the equation of the normal to a curve formula is given by y minus y1 equal to negative 1 over m into x minus x1, where this m is equal to dy ds. That's the gradient. Back to the question. We are given a curve y equals to s cubed over 5 and a point. Let's put that down. Y equal to s cubed over 5 and the point given is negative 1 comma negative 1 over 5. We are going to utilize this formula, but before that we need x1 and y1. This is our x1, this is y1. The other thing we need is m is dy ds. We can obtain our dy ds using this. We just differentiate y with respect to x, so that will be dy ds equal to differentiating s cubed with respect to x, that is 3s squared divided by 5. Now at x equal to, we take this value of x to evaluate dy ds, minus 1. Dy ds equal to 3. What is x now? S is negative 1, so that will be negative 1 all squared divided by 5. This equal to 3 minus 1 all squared, that is positive 1, divided by 5 equal to 3 times 1, 3 divided by 5. This implies that dy ds is equal to 3 over 5. We can now utilize the equation of the normal to a curve formula now. This y minus y1 equal to negative 1 over m times x minus x1. And the point is what? This is the point that we are using. Minus 1 comma minus 1 over 5. Minus 1 comma minus 1 over 5. This is x1. This is y1. Let's proceed further. This implies that y minus, what is y1? Y1 is minus 1 over 5. Minus 1 over 5 equal to minus 1 divided by, don't forget, dy ds is the same thing as m. So we have 3 over 5 here into x minus s1 is what? S1 is minus 1. This implies that y minus times minus 1 over 5 plus 1 over 5 equal to minus 1 divided by 3 over 5, that is minus 5 over 3 into x minus times minus 1 plus 1. This implies that, what is the LCM here? The LCM here is 3 times 5, 15. The LCM here is 15. So multiply both sides by 15. So that will be 15 into y plus 1 over 5 equal to 15 times minus 5 over 3 into x plus 1. This implies that 15 times y, 15y plus 15 times 1 over 5, that is 3, equal to 3 here 1, 3 in 15, that is 5, 5 times minus 5, that is negative 25 into x plus 1. This implies that 15y plus 3 is equal to minus 25 times x minus 25x. Minus 25 times 1 minus 25. This implies that 15y plus 3 minus 25x, when it comes to the left hand side, it becomes plus 25x. When we move minus 25 also to the left hand side, it becomes plus 25 equal to 0. Therefore, we have 15y plus 25x, 3 plus 25, that is 28, equal to 0. This is the equation of normal to a curve that is required for this calculus problem. That's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.